Oh yeah, let me just let me go see. So we have fridge, right? Are you seeing it? We just bought this fridge. Now we're packing today in this beautiful house. I will have our fridge. Our daddy just bought this fridge for us.
Daddy bought your
And we also have other things. So we're arranging this house. This house is 3-bedroom flats and parlor. So we love it. We love it. This fridge is very big. We'll unbox it later. Unbox the fridge later. So this is our house. This is our house. We are still arranging things. This is our beautiful kitchen. This is our beautiful. We are just unboxing. I forgot to start from the time we started the unboxing. Our kitchen is nice, simple but nice. Simple but nice. Other things are inside the cabinet. All our kitchen equipment, kitchen utensils are here. It's inside here. We'll set this parlor well.